I'm legitimately the grouchiest. And I forgot to record yesterday. And it's pouring rain. And it sounds like it's hailing. But, you know, these are things that we do because we have goals and stuff. Sometimes that helps. So, here we go. Ayako wa mawari o mimasu. Ayako watch something. Ayako is looking around. 見たことがある女の人がいます。見たことが something about meeting the woman. There's someone that she has seen before. その女の人はドアを近くに立って本を読んでいます。Okay, so the woman is near the door. 立って and she's reading a book. Hell yeah. Okay. The woman is standing near a door and is reading a book. Standing. Okay, so the tate must be standing. Okay. Ayako wa shigoto ni iku toki mainichi mainichi sono hito o mimasu. When Ayako is going to work every day, she sees this person. I don't understand how it's woman because it says sono hito o mimasu. So like when she goes to work, Ayako sees this woman, which is like doesn't seem to be the right translation. So I'm very curious about that. でもその女の人話したことはありません. But the woman, something about not speaking, but she has never talked to her before. その女の人はいつも本を読んでいます. So the woman, その女の人はいつも本を読んでいます. I feel like it's something about like the woman maybe always reads a book when she's going. How's maybe deimas is reading? It's just weird. The translation is the woman is always reading a book, but I don't really understand how that comes through, so I don't know. どうしよう話してみようかな. どうしよう? What do I do? Maybe I want to talk to her. Okay. I feel like we got relatively far. The recording's still running. I'm not more grouchy than I was when I started this, and we're at about 5 minutes. So that's going to be it for today. Ciao.